Which is he came out the woodwork.
That's double.
I know like everyone.
Backs out, backs out.
I know 11 on the black team. I know those two. Okay. I know him and number 4 on the red team. I know 11 on the black team. I know 13 on the black team. I know Alex. I know 12 on Alex's team. And 12, Gio.
Oh, okay.
And then
Oh, yeah.
I know Dylan. 5. He's sitting on there.
Cyrus, don't go inside. Run. Ah. Backs out. Run, run, run. Foul. Oh. Oh, go for it.
That's good. That's good. That's good defense. That's good defense.
Yeah.
Good one.
That's a foul. Yeah. Run, run.
My kids have taught me down. Oh, nice. I'm 50. What do you want to do? I'm fucking 50.
Yeah.
Oh, I want the kids. That's what I want to do. I want to watch it.
Good, good, good. Oh, go. Bravo. Do it all the time. Oh, sure. Run.
Yeah. Shoot it. Don't let him shoot.
Run. Get. 10. Penetrate.
Don't let him shoot. Hey. No, no more. No more. No more. Cyrus, no more.
Help! Help! Oh, okay. Ano good call?
Hey, Cyrus, no more threes. No more threes.
Pag maluwag, pag maluwag.
Don't tell him. Alex plays with number 4 on the travel team.
Okay, okay. Lapitan mo, lapitan mo. Ah!
He's got the school team, and then he's got the 2 Scorpion teams with Brendan, and then with the 8th graders. And then he plays with SPC, and then this one. But they're all like this. The main ones.
Konting space habang mainit. Lutuin mo na lutuin.
Doesn't have like schools over.
Help!
Oh, yeah.
Against basketball.
Run, run, run!
Good game. Man.
Run!
I went
Did
to
you hear about it?
yeah.
It was real good.
I feel like there's like our school, Alex's school is always
Yeah.
Ano mo?
like this. The games that everyone goes.
Oh, dude, no, it was so good. It was at the last second.
Get it.
Matt got fouled.
Lapitan mo.
I was just hoping they were going to overtime, but they weren't. I think our players are good. They're just short.
Oh!
What? Our players are good. They're just short. Like compared to them.
Ah! Stop.
Like,
Ah, shit.
that was just disaster.
Maaga pa yan, maaga pa.
Our school got second. A lot of us got first. It just always just switched around like first and second. It's
Help!
It's all karaoke and stuff.
the girls, it's like our girls and Balboa. Their school's girls are good.
Oh yeah, that's what they played this week.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the championship.
Push it, push it, push it. Nice. Run. Hit 3. Oh. Tingin mo ulit. Help! 13, 10. Check the clock. Shoot it.
Okay, okay. Only because you guys are still. No, okay. Oh my goodness.
All right, I'll get you up for Bryant after Cyrus to see if he can do it.
Yeah.
Dad, are you happy? Hey, I'm not. I wanted to say something so bad. I know. I wanted to say something so bad, but whatever. Dude, we're fucking 50. What are you trying to get all crazy for? What you want to do? What you want to do? Dude, we're 50. What do you? Oh, you're right. I should say, I'll meet you outside. And then just stay and watch the game.
Oh, pag-aralan mo hanggang mainit.
Is Alex going to camp in high school? Or what?
What?
Are all of his friends?
You did rap. You rap.
Lapitan mo!
No, I will. She's gonna be mad at me now. I'd rather her hear it from me.
Wala na, bantay sarado na.
Lesson. Just a lesson. You'd rather the shit news come from you than
Hindi, walang katulong. Run! There you go. Oh, tatlo lang yan. Good. Box out.
Hey,
Bawiin mo.
how are you doing?
There you go. Keep shooting. Stop, travel.
No big deal.
Shoot it. Use backboard. Run. Pagod na. Ano to? Na. Box out. Good. Tira ng tira. Oh. Box out.
Nice. That big old smile. That's awesome. Attaboy, Gio. Yeah.
No cuenta.
Nice. Beautiful.
No, nice.
Run. Hop. Move.
Get open here. Top of the key.
Oh, so nice. Back up still. Baba ka, baba ka. Go, go, go.
Oh, nice move.
Wow. There you go.
No. Oh, good. So don't let him shoot.
Cut, cut.
Right there, right there.
Bilisan mo, bilisan. Bilis, oras na. Counted. Yeah! Kapit mo. Oh.
Yeah. As soon as he got it, his feet started moving first.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yan ang tira. Practice yan, practice. Ah! Run! There you go. Pakunti-kunti. Shoot it! Kalahati.
don't know any better.
You good?
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Mag-enjoy ka lang. Wala. Malalaki sila, Alex. Ha? Tira mo nga pag makalungad ka. Oo nga, kahit sa rito. Pag nakita mo sila nasa loob, doon ka tumira. Okay? Pagka nasa labas, sumaksak ka. Mag-enjoy ka lang. Practice lang yan, practice. Sabihin mo, kausapin mo sila. Oh. Are you drunk?
Not yet. Not yet. Give me some time. When I get home.
When? When we gonna do barbecue again?
That's what you guys have to do, boss.
Yeah.
And your boss. And then Froyland's boss. When we're gonna barbecue.
When Froyland come back.
You guys gonna play for Eastside?
I told you if we're free, if we don't have Scorpion
I want to play against
and
you guys, man. I want to definitely play against you guys.
you want me to set that?
Hey, I'm 50. I'm not gonna fight with them. That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
But like I said, I'll meet him outside, but I'll stay watching. He'll be out there waiting for me. I'm 50.
Yeah.
I don't want to end up on YouTube.
Viral sensation.
Yeah, I don't get paid for that. I'm not ridiculous. I let my daughter take care of it.
Oh. Ah, sure. It's a good shot.
Good pass. Good pass. Pass it.
Oh, come on. You don't have.
That is good. I don't know.
We don't have rebound. Foul. Alright, whistle.
Number 5 is good. That's
Yeah. Yeah. Play for fun only. No. Don't expect anything. Yeah.
If they're on your team, you gotta work with them, practice like big man stuff. Like the coach should be doing that during practice. They can be good.
Yeah.
Eli and
I think Eli is shy, that's why.
you can work with him. He's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Number 10, he's good. I like him.
Get the ball, get the ball! Good! Yeah. They call black, but they give the ball the blue. Ah, dang.
Scarlett's fault.
Boom, boom!
Nice.
Nice, Eli!
Good play, guys. I'm rooting for you guys. We play against you guys next game.
Oh, next week.
This Tuesday. Tuesday or Wednesday. So you guys are third, right? Yeah, Tuesday, 8th. Oh wait. If we lose, you guys play the losers. Dang it.
We play Bryce.
Yes, you play the loser of this on Tuesday, 8 o'clock.
Oh, really? Yeah, but we might have a
Oh man.
8 o'clock a.m.? p.m. p.m.?
PM. Tuesday. Yeah.
Hopefully, OL Catholic, so early. Tuesday? Oh,
Hey, you know what? Hey, you know what we
That's
should do? Play Cyrus in the fourth quarter and then let him go. He's got to show up here early.
Yeah, no, it's 6 o'clock.
All-Star?
rebound!
I think on the 14th, maybe? I don't know. I don't know, it doesn't say. The winner of this plays the Heat. That's who you guys just played, right?
I put if, if we
Yeah,
lost.
yeah, you guys. Yeah, if it's because it goes the first place plays
15.
the last place.
It's only
Plays
15.
the second to last, third place. It goes like that. Good block, man.
Run, 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 run! Yeah.
You didn't get that one?
He didn't. She didn't. She didn't.
Dang, Cyril, you're fired. Your mom's gonna be mad.
Apat lang yan na 3. Ah! Mikey. Apat lang na 3 yan.
Next time I come, I'm gonna bring my daughter. Just in case he brings his son. Yeah, you're gonna have to be my bodyguard. My mouth gets me in trouble. Oh, man.
Dagdagan na naman. That. Shoot it. Help, help, help. Foul.
Dang. Nice boy, Mikey. Oh man. Good rebound.
One more.
Dang, Eli getting in there. No, he's wide open.
Oh,
Good move.
nice.
Good move.
Defense, defense. Help. Run. Help, help. Ah.
Nice. Oh,
Run, run, run. Pasabit, pasabit, pasabit. Pasabit. Mak, magandi. What?
what happened? What happened? You about to pass out? Oh man, there it is.
Ah. Run, run, run.
I like that. He went back a little bit so he could see him open.
Yeah.
And look quick. Oh, exactly. Can't.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Kunin mo dito, dito ka. Nice. 11. Travel.
Yeah.
They don't call it travel.
I guess not. It's NBA.
Well, SBC is trying to do the trade league. But if not, they're gonna play Sports Academy. But I told to SBC I'm science playing Scorpion.
So it's the rivals.
Yeah. But
I mean, whichever one, I'll stay and watch, but I said, we'll stay and watch and cheer you guys on, but we're on the Scorpions.
yeah. And we are the defenders. Yeah, that's why I told to Cyrus na fix his game. Play hard so that he can always on the floor.
I really hope he comes with the point. Adam is on my team, and Rob is on my team. So hard. So score all the points that you can.
Ba. Screen. Kunin mo ulit. Run! Ganda! They don't have rebound.
You got the height,
Yeah.
any position, you
Yeah.
guys are the box down. That's something to work on.
Oh, travel. Hey, on the traveling.
You got lucky on that.
Yeah. Nice.
Erase it. That's the best way to make that ticket. Yeah.
You need to push. Ah.
Called me on the phone. And it says Social Security. And they had the Oxnard Social Security. They had their number on it.
Ah. Hold the ball.
Reset.
Came out on my phone. So I go, well, it's the Social Security. They don't call you.
Oh, travel.
You know that.
Call the traveling.
The guy telling me about it. I called the car I used to own.
That was bad stuff.
Trying to text you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Hey,
And I
I give you some money.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Oh, good move.
Nice.
Look at
Run, 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 run! Nice pass! Yeah! Nice look! Mikey. There's a lot of missed call.
I don't see it.
Twice already. Yes, how many years you get for Social Security?
Push it! Hold it short! Hold it short!
Yeah, he needs help. They're talking to each other. I don't know what they're saying.
Screen!
Oh, nice.
Run! Labas away! Labas! Set, reset. Oh. Set. One more.
Backboard. Come on, he used to. He's like.
They don't call, huh?
Cyrus didn't put the ball on the ground, so just steal it. Yeah, see, Alex not gonna dribble in front of Cyrus.
Run! Ah! Still!
Nice.
Oh!
Nice move. Right. Sebastian.
Straight, go straight!
It was slow. No, I saw it on the Filipino Sports Network.
Foul!
I'm not gonna lie, I'm surprised that they were that close. I thought San Antonio was gonna
But Sebastian, I was like, oh man, they're gonna kill any team. They play them, they're gonna kill us. Like,
You never know people.
and when I went in and saw the whole third and fourth, I was like, it would have been more than two.
Yeah.
8 lang, oh.
Our game, we fell apart completely.
Ah.